Bring them over here, Veda.
Take them to the dude.
Where did you get these fireworks?
From home to bring
This is
to
something
me,
that belongs to...
First, let's do the bomb.
Smoke bombs, bring them here. Okay.
You rise off the ground, be
Can you open them up?
Yeah.
There you go.
If I can do it without touching. Yeah.
Just hold it from the side. There you go. Need do to help you?
Yeah.
What color you want to do first?
Green.
Green?
Say, hey baby, it's cold outside.
Yes. Awesome.
Woohoo! Smoky bombs, come back. Hey, come over here.
Oh,
Wow,
cool.
look. Come stand by Mimi. Yay!
Run through it like this.
Woo! But only smoke bombs.
All right, what color next?
Ooh, 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 blue. Blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Stay close, it won't hurt you.
Yeah, it's just a smoke bomb. It doesn't go boom or anything. It just makes smoke.
But purple rain does go boom.
Yes, we don't.
Okay,
Yes.
ready to run through it?
Yeah.
Let it get smoking good. Ah, woo! Woo!
Wow, how pretty
Yay.
is that?
Love it. Gonna
Okay,
have
blue,
blue grass, blue grass, blue, blue, blue.
Wow.
Careful that hole behind you, babe.
What color next?
Purple.
Purple, purple rain, purple rain.
Ready?
Ooh.
Ooh,
Oh, it's
run
not
through it.
purple.
Run.
Something messed up. They didn't put the color in there, did they?
Wow.
Let's try the other purple and see if it does better.
Yeah, let's see.
That was just plain Jane smoke. No purple. Come on, purple. Come on, purple. Nope. Purple people get a 0 on quality control.
Jump.
Jump it. Woohoo!
Let's do yellow.
So is yellow going to be purple? And that was what looked beige to me, but ooh, yes.
Orange.
Orange.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Kick it. Here, I'll hold this. Kick it. Yeah.
Woo! So I get orange stuff on my boots, so we may be in trouble. I
Look
probably
how
shouldn't
neat
kick it.
that looks.
Because she didn't want to wear her other boots, so those are her school
Pick
boots.
it up.
No, it's hot.
It's on fire, so we don't want to
Looks in the grass.
pick it up.
You
Yay!
grab the smoke. Ready?
Yellow.
Ooh!
Ooh,
Your pants!
that is yellow, yellow.
Jump it! Jump it!
Woohoo! It's like a yellow tornado.
Next, let's do purple rain.
Purple rain. Gonna come
purple
stand
rain.
by Mimi. Is it something we really want to have to back up for?
Yes.
Okay, come back this way with Mimi. Keep coming.
Back
Veda.
up, dude. It's dangerous.
Veda, keep coming. I see all the purple. Look at that. Yay! Whoa. How cool is that? It's like lightning bugs. I guess we shouldn't leave our other stuff so close. Yay! Woohoo!
Jump it! Jump it once!
No, 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 no. No. No.
Sometimes when I do it, it pops out after.
I know.
Yeah.
You're smart.
Yeah, we don't dump stuff like that. Dude's just being silly.
Okay, what next? You want to do a sparkler?
Yeah, my favorite. That's not scary to me. I want to do purple.
Go show Mimi this.
Mimi, we're gonna do this.
No, dino eggs?
What's it called?
Dino egg.
Dino eggs.
This is my favorite.
Can you open it?
Yeah. Sometimes I don't really know.
You can rip it open.
Hopefully there's not a hawk over there. A lot of chicken fussing.
What is that?
It explodes.
Should we do it on the driveway
No, let's do this
or right here?
right here. This is dino eggs.
Dino eggs.
You ready?
Come back with Mimi a little bit. Not sure what's gonna do.
It's gonna explode.
Really?
I think. Yeah. I think, yeah.
Okay, then let's take another step back just in case. Firework safety. Nice little fire. Is it about to explode?
I don't know. That's all it does. See, it's for kids.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
Get another one.
Okay.
I thought there was going to be a dinosaur inside it.
There's no dinosaur.
Well,
Let's do green.
Ooh, green.
you look handsome, dude. Ooh, that wind is sharp. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
That's a weird sound.
Chickens are fussing about something.
Here it goes.
Green.
Yay!
Cool. Which one next?
What you think of that, Tator?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Let's do yellow.
Okay. You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did yellow.
He's having trouble holding this
Here
camera.
it goes.
Yeah. You want to stop this? Yeah, give it up. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.